What is up sa mga mahilig sa awas? Andito tayo kasama si Malakas. Kasama ko rin dito si Mr. Balbas.
Ooh.
Welcome sa
Amoy Piranyan!
dito sa harap natin ngayon. Rasasi, hawas for him. Thunder!
Grabe. Ang
Okay.
ganda ng bote, no?
Okay, nakita niyo naman, side by side siya sa supposedly na inspiration niya.
Oo. Siyempre, this is YS.L Le Absolute.
Absolute.
Tinatakpan namin to para hindi ma-detect ng AI. Baka kasi maban kami. Okay? Sa sobrang stricto ng AI in all platforms. So, for itong episode na to, since kabisado to at favorite line to ni Boss Terence sa lahat ng mga series ng Myself, which is tong Myself Le Absolute. And this is his own bottle. And this is my bottle, tong Rasasi Hawas Thunder. And can you give us a brief description about sa itong pabango na to and what are the differences between
Okay.
those two?
I'll talk about myself, Le Absolute.
Sige.
And I'll leave yung comparison mamaya sa'yo. Mas
Sige.
magaling ka maghimay eh.
Sige.
Okay. If napanood niyo yung previous videos namin, for us, ang myself line is ginawa ni YSL as a counterpart ng lib or libre line nila, which is targeted for women.
That's correct.
Okay? It carries the same orange blossom signature, yung white florals, which is nasa myself.
Territory siya.
Oo.
Na may
Pero-
pagka-lavender din, dominant. And
Ngayon,
vanilla tong kabin.
Lumabas tong, I think last year yata lumabas tong Le Absolu. So ano yung difference niya doon sa EDP
Oh.
or Le Parfum?
Okay.
Ang EDP, talagang ano siya citrus, orange blossom, and medyo, medyo sweet yung dry down niya. Okay? Ang Le Parfum naman, mas amplified yung sweetness, parang they say na parang mas date night or cold weather scent siya.
That's correct.
Ngayon, ano itong Le Absolu? For me ang Le Absolu kasi, parang nadagdagan siya ng ginger which is one of my
Yeah.
favorite notes sa perfume. Nadagdagan siya ng cardamom, which is also one of my favorite spice. Spice yun, di ba?
Yes.
And may mga woody note siya.
Yeah.
So to me, sa lahat ng flankers ng YSL as of the moment, to me, this is the most masculine.
Oh.
Okay, medyo rough siya, actually. Hindi siya as suabe as nung EDP or nung Le Parfum.
Le Parfum.
Pero, mas rough siya but it gives some more, brusco vibes eh.
Okay.
Oo. Kaya nga sinabi ko mas masculine siya. Ngayon, Armin, ikaw naman, naamoy natin to kanina.
Yes.
And pinaamoy ko rin sa'yo to.
Yes.
Ano for you ang naging similarities niya and differences niya?
Okay, actually, punta muna tayo sa similarities.
Okay.
Sa similarities, kasi sa top notes niya, mas harsh opening to sa harsh,
I agree.
sa umpisa, compared
Yes.
sa dito. Ito, wala kang makukuhang harshness.
Ano yung harsh sa kanya? Yung citrus, no?
Yung citrus talaga Ayaw ko yung citrus
Yes.
niya sa umpisa
Agree.
Mas aggressive. Dito, very faint lang yung citrus niya. It's well balanced. And once we transition dun sa middle notes na, it has sobrang lapit na niya. Kahit ilapag nyo sa test strip or sa skin, sobrang lapit nila. You can't even distinguish which is the original, which is the schmoops niya. Sobrang hirap pagpilian. If paamoy mo sa ibang tao, mahirap nilang himayin yan. Unless it's trained nose and advanced nose na yung makakaamoy. Pero if you smell it in the air, they won't even
Sa
detect
strip
it.
ang hirap i-distinguish.
Sobrang
no?
hirap. So, we
Yes.
suggest you try it sa skin. Doon mo makikita yung differences nila. Tapos, yung sa similarity sa dry down niya, parehas silang sweetness, pero mas woody to sa dry down.
Yes, I agree.
Very woody, ambery. While this one, it's leaning more ambery na may pagka-bubblegummy, na may pagka-vanilla and powdery. Although ito meron din naman. Try down nila, yun yung nakukuha kong similarities nila. The differences is this one is way stronger than this one. Although ito naman, it's like a very younger brother nitong Myself Le Absolu niya. Which I find it very, very pleasing tong pabango na to sa akin. I like it.
I'm gonna ask you something.
Yes.
Ginger is my favorite.
Yeah.
Evident ba siya sa pabango na to? Nitong dalawa from opening to dry down?
Ito, baka hindi mo maamoy sa opening konti. It might be different on each skin chemistry. Pero after several minutes, you might detect the ginger on it. Pero mas angat yung ginger dito eh. Sa akin sa skin ko.
Sige. Ang next na question ko sa'yo,
Yeah.
ano ang applications nito? When can you wear it?
Actually, anytime. Kahit rainy season, sobrang sarap suotin ito. Kahit you go on a date, or let's say, cuddle weather situation, since maulan, tag-ulan na, masarap siyang suotin.
So, it's a freshie and it's also sweet.
Yes. It's interchangeable siyang dalawa sa seasonable.
More on casual or formal?
Actually, kahit dress up, dress down, you can rock it. Mas nakikita ko din siya na pwede siya sa mga business owners, yung tipong pupunta lang sa business meeting, they wanna make the done deal. It has that impact na maumpisahan nyo yung conversation nyo because of this character na nagbibigay sa kanya.
Okay, speaking of character,
Oo.
anong character ang nakikita mo dito? Good boy, F-boy, feminine leaning?
It could be any gender. Bagay siya.
Again, kasi nga, ang lib, sinusuot rin natin eh. Di ba?
Yes.
So parang nagko-crossover siya. Talagang may DNA siya na you can't deny eh. Na yung orange blossom nga eh, di ba?
Sobrang very unisex leaning talaga. It's very, alam mo ba, would you agree with me? Any myself DNA, lalo na tong Le Absolu, may pagka-pheromones. I don't know. Let's go now, Boss Terence, sa ratings itong pabango na to. As a standalone and as a schmook, anong mabibigay mo siyang rating since nandito na tong
As a
ang
standalone,
schmoops na?
as a standalone, I'll give it an 8.
An 8. Okay.
But as a schmoop, I'll give it a 9.
Oh my God.
Actually,
What? Taas na na!
They are eerily close sa dry down. Yun nga, tama ang sinabi mo.
Oo.
I find this a tad bit more woody lang.
Mm-mm.
Pero yung florals, yung parang orange blossom tsaka jasmine ba
Yes.
yun? Andun eh.
May floral, may jasmine eh.
Yung ginger, andun eh.
Mm.
Yung cardamom, well,
Parang hindi
minsan
masyado
naaamoy ko, minsan hindi. So,
Hide and seek lang.
forgivable na yun.
Mm.
Oo. Pero, not bad, magkaamoy siya.
Sobrang lapit.
Ikaw, Armin, anong rating mo sa kanya as a schmoop and standalone?
As a schmoop, I will give it a 9 out of 10 din. I was really shocked how close it is, even sa test strip or kahit sa skin mo or kahit sa air nila maamoy. Pwede ka magsinungaling dito na suot mo YSL Myself La Absolu, or you can just proudly say that you are wearing Rasasia Wastander. Pero as a standalone, I would give it mga 7.5 out of 10 as a standalone.
But if I may add,
Yes.
kasi I'm sure may magtatanong eh,
Oo.
kumustang performance niyan?
Ay, grabe.
Dito naglalamang si
Thunder.
Sassy.
Oo.
Oo.
Grabe talaga
Lagi naman
performance.
eh. Ganun naman talaga
Always.
ang hawas eh, di ba?
Kahit anong i-release nila, wala ka nang aalalain. Especially yung mga magtatanong dyan, beast mode projection, longevity search, you don't have to worry about this one. But we cannot say that this is a beast mode projection, ha? But yung longevity, we assure you, sobrang long-lasting nitong pabango na to.
So,
Yun lang yung masasabi ko about dyan.
Yun lang yung amin kung talagang actually bold statement. For me, you don't need this.
Parang, it could be a redundant na.
Kumbaga, kung talagang inasam nyo bilhin to, malakas loob ko na sabihin sa inyo na you don't need this, just go for this.
Yes. And just in case, if you have this already, okay, and gusto mong tipirin siya, this is a good substitute for this one. Boss Terence, are you willing to let go YSL Myself La Absolu? Yes or no?
Yung totoo, yes. The only reason that this is gonna stay is pride ko na lang eh. Kasi sa collection nga, but as of now, I have the 3 flankers.
Yes.
So maganda lang siya on display. Pero I can honestly say that medyo, this is close enough eh. And this performs better.
Grabe quality, no?
Yes.
Sobrang high quality yung ginawa nila dyan. And nothing else to say, Boss Terence? Please let us know in the comment section kung interesado kayo bumili nito YSL La Absolu, Boss Terence, okay? Joke lang yun, ha? Anyways, like,
Hindi joke yun. Okay.
bebeto daw siya!
Armin, saan mo na naman napulot yun?
Siyempre, the one and only Dubai Shop Baliwag, well. Like, comment, share, repost this video namin. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo to at may napulot kayo and may natutunan kayo sa itong review namin. Till next time, Fragrance Family, love you all. Mwah!